What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to check out one of the best sneakers that you guys can get for under 3,500 pesos. This is the FILA Luminance. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a supreme storage box worth 3,500 pesos. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go! One of the reasons why I love the FILA brand, at least here in the Philippines, is that the prices are very reasonable, especially for the quality and the design that you guys get with the sneakers that they ship. This, for example, is called the Luminance. It is a new sneaker or a retroed sneaker that they recently came out with. I actually chanced upon this at Fila Italia over at the Uptown Mall BGC store, and it was just sitting there for 3,500 pesos. The quality is amazing, the build is fantastic, the comfort is something else, and if you think about it, not a lot of people will wear it, so it kind of puts you in that exclusive club when it comes to people wearing sneakers like this one. So as you guys can see, this is what the box looks like. Very cool, very kick-ass, and if you just pop it open, this is what the shoe looks like. What the shoe looks like. And as you guys can see, it is really nice. The design, the build, the overall styling is something else. It looks far more expensive than the price you pay. Guys, this is just 3,500 pesos, which I think is fantastic value for money. You have multiple layers from mesh to suede to some sort of like leather, to the rope laces in red, to how meticulously, beautifully well-made design the FILA logo was done on the tongue tab, on the back, and even here on the side of the mesh, and even here at the back. It just looks amazing, and it comes in two colorways. This one is in black, beige, and red. There's also a green colorway that's available for 3,500 pesos. Now, I was able to wear this already for a little over a day, and I can tell you it is comfortable. Now, granted, it's not like comparable to Boost or React technology, but it is like half the price. And at the same time, I really think that the overall style and look is just really cool and really nice. So yeah, guys, if you are looking to buy like really cool sneakers or at least nice sneakers, you really don't have to spend that much to be able to get good ones. At the end of the day, if you have a budget, I would highly recommend that you just stick to it. And there are a lot of fantastic options below the 5,000 peso, below the 4,000 peso range that you might want to consider, like this one, the FILA Luminance. Now, I also have like another sneaker from FILA that I wanted to share with you guys. So this is the first one. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored in any way. This was not given to me by FILA Philippines. I know that you guys, especially to those who follow me on Instagram and Facebook, know that I'm a good friend of like Antonio Aguirre, who works for FILA. But I bought this with my own money. So this isn't a favor to him or a favor to the FILA brand. I just feel that it's a very practical choice of sneaker, especially if you're living in the Philippines, right? So this one is another sneaker that they came out with. This is the Fila Ray Porter. This is one of the hip dad shoes that you can also pick up, and I think this one sells for the same price. Yeah, this one is like 3,499 pesos. Again, under 4,000, under 3,500. Very practical sneaker, very nice looking sneaker that you might want to cop and add to your collection. So it just says there very plainly FILA, white box. Says here at the side, Fila Ray. This is size 11. It's actually a size smaller. So I bought this just because I really wanted to review it and feature it on the channel. Not necessarily knowing or not necessarily getting the right size for me. So scratch head. That kind of sucked. But anyway, so let's just unbox it for you guys. Pop the lid open. You have the FILA wrapper, multiple FILA wrap logos in the tissue paper thingy. And then here you have it. This is it. This is the FILA Ray Porter. So it has the Italy flag colors of green and red, very Gucci, which stretches along the side of the sneaker on both the medial and the lateral side. I love how they did the FILA logo here, but more than that, I love how they did the lacing system. If you take a close look at it, man, look at that. Look at the green and red alternating with the white, and then take a look at that FILA badge at the tongue tab. That is just absolutely sick. And you get that same feel here at the back. And if you take a look at inside, you even get a really nice pop with a red FILA insole. So again, guys, this is just 3,400 99 pesos. Less than 4,000, less than 3,500, and absolutely looks fire to me, no matter where you look at it, and especially if you are into the dad shoe thing, if you're into the dad shoe vibe, you can't skip the Disruptors, the Disruptor 2s, which are also out and actually available over at Fila Italia, Uptown Mall, BGC. And just go for this one. It actually has the same vibe without the jagged midsole, and instead you get like a more rubberized outsole here. So I feel that this is actually the better buy between this and the Disruptor 2. I'd actually go with the Ray Porter if I had the chance, especially if they come up with even more colorways of this particular shoe. So yeah guys, the Fila Luminance sells for 3,499, comes in multiple colorways. The Fila Porter Ray Porter sells for 3,499 in this sick colorway, and they also have like Fila Disruptors for retail at 3,999. I guess the main point I'm trying to make is there are a lot of fantastic sneakers across different budgets. You don't have to pressure yourself to buy the latest and the hypest, because at the end of the day, you have to take a look at what's your motivation for buying sneakers in the first place. For example, I buy a lot of sneakers because it funds this channel, it funds the content, it funds my end game of being able to become and graduate into a YouTuber full-time, or doing YouTube plus corporate at the same time. So this actually pays for itself. I mean, it looks like I spend a ton of money doing all of this stuff, but I actually make money as well from YouTube, from the brand deals that I get, from the sneakers that I don't know, like I sell just to diffuse the cost. So it isn't an operation that makes me lose money. It is a real investment in the sense of the word that it is a business. So I am getting into it because one, it makes me happy, two, it makes money. Now, if I didn't like make money from all of this, I wouldn't be buying all of that off-white stuff here at the back. I wouldn't be buying all of the crazy stuff here at the back, because it just wouldn't make sense, because it wouldn't have an ROI. It wouldn't make me richer. It probably made me happier, it would make me happier, but it would make me poorer, which absolutely makes no sense at all, especially since I'm married and I'm expected to provide for my wife, and of course the responsibility of fulfilling all of her dreams, our dreams as a couple, is on my shoulders. So yeah, if you guys will buy sneakers, take a look at the motivation that you have in your heart. It shouldn't be from the perspective of you just becoming happy and becoming poorer. That's very irresponsible, number one. And number two, it will just make you poorer, and in the long term, it will just make you sadder. So, so it's immediate happiness, but it will make you sadder eventually because you don't have money in your bank account or in your wallet. What I feel sad the most is I've seen several people actually get into massive debt just because of sneakers. They would keep on swiping their credit card left and right to be able to buy the hypest and the newest and the latest, and they would say, I can pay later and defer it 6 months. But if you keep deferring a lot of sneakers for 6 to 12 months, it's like a lot, right? So you will end up spending incredible amounts of money monthly on shoes, which I think is kind of sad, because we just have 2 feet, right? So again, my main point is, I've been rambling too long. I just wanted to really stress the point that there are good sneakers, guys, regardless of your budget. You can go with this one for like under 3,500. You can go with the local brands such as Word Balance, which sell for like 2,000. If you wanna get Adidas or Nike, just wait it out for the outlets. They have fantastic shoes that drop prices, usually in the 3,000 to 5,000 price range. In the rare instances, they even have sneakers for like 2,000 pesos. And again, there are more brands than just Adidas and Nike. You can check out Saucony, you can check out New Balance, you can check out Puma, and a lot of the other brands, and Reebok, of course, that usually go on massive sales wherein the prices just plummet and go down. Now, I did mention that this sneaker was size 11 and it wasn't my size. And you know what that means, guys. You know what that means. I am giving it away. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below on what you guys think of what I just said. I don't care if you agree or disagree. Just leave a comment. Let's have a great discussion. Leave a comment down below on my thoughts on buying hype sneakers and buying sneakers in general. And then this Sunday, when I pick the winner for the Supreme box, I'll throw this in. So I'll pick 2 winners. One guy wins the Supreme box from that pool, and then another guy wins this Fila Porter Ray sneaker in size 11 from this pool. So 2 winners will be drawn this Sunday. So that's it, guys. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. Yeah, I have nothing else to say. God bless. What's up? Boom.